provide tools to the couple to talk better, engage better, compromise. For example, I learned to compromise. For example, with my wife, I love cats, and she loves dogs. We compromise. After discussing, we compromise, and we got a dog. So, we have to compromise. No, it's important, understand, it's important, learn, it's important that couple understand that marriage, a long-term relationship, are not a joke, is something that is important. And last, we can help couple to not get inside a relationship that violent, that are dangerous for the people, that are inside a relationship. We can prevent this.